Hey, what's going on today, guys? So in this video we're going to go ahead and follow Jeff. He's got a request for a dead bird, so we're going to go check it out, see what's going on. Now, we do pick up dead birds depending on where they're from and kind of the condition and the reasoning why they died, because we do check for West Nile virus. But we'll talk a little bit more about that with Jeff and Vince as we get started, so let's go check it out.
Picking up this hawk that was called in, sharp-shinned hawk. We're going to have this tested for West Nile virus. Mr. Sanchez will do a swab on its mouth, I suppose, and go from there. Raptors and birds in the corvid family, blue jays, magpies, crows, ravens, those are all birds that we test.
Perfect.
So here we are back at the lab. We've got the bird here. We're ready to test it. Jeff picked it up a little earlier, so we had a routine. I'm just suiting up now, so give me a couple minutes and we're gonna put my gloves on, goggles. We gotta take all the extra precautions, make sure that this bird doesn't have any virus. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down that throat. We're gonna swab that throat really, really well. We're gonna put it on a card and we're gonna test it for the RNA sampling. It's going to Davis, and then we'll find out in a couple of weeks whether it is positive for West Nile virus. So here we go. Dispose of this, close this up. We do have a bird number I will add to that, and we're going to send it off, like I mentioned, to Davis. We should hear in a couple of weeks. Hopefully it's negative, and we'll inform the customer also if it is positive. But if it is positive, then we have a protocol that we need to do. So here we go. Talk to you soon.